Hi lovelies, it's Kia once again. Today we are talking about systems for new business owners. So when you're just starting out your business, it can be a little bit confusing or a little bit overwhelming to know where to start and what to do, just to make sure that you're putting your best foot forward or you're starting as you mean to go on. And I am a big believer in starting as you mean to go on, and we try to do as much as we can to help new business owners, support them, giving you the tools, resources, advice, information that you need to make the start of your journey as smooth and effortless as possible. So I have got a load of reviews in previous videos from last year, which you can go back, check on the YouTube page. It'll be a bit easier to find them, for systems that I've used in the past. So that's my personal opinion on them and my preferences. If you're interested in looking at those, then go ahead and do that. But today I'm just going to go through a brief overview of just advice that I think is important for you to know when you're starting your business, for what you can put in place in terms of good systems. So let's just get started. Advice piece number one is to get separate bank accounts. I say this all the time, regardless of what type of business you're running. If you're running a limited company, if you're running a sole trader, a self-employed business, just open a separate bank account. It doesn't take long and it's not very difficult to do, but it will help you so much in the long run to separate your finances out. It will help with your accounts, it will help with your taxes. Your accountant won't charge you as much if you're not crossing over your personal and your business purchases. So separate everything out from day one. That's the first advice I'm going to give you guys. Second piece of advice is to take control of your financial management. Take control of it early, from day one. Put systems in place that's going to help you with financial management that you'll be able to build on and grow with later. And financial management can be anything. It can be just, keeping a track of how you're going to be invoicing, or how you're managing your sales, or how you're tracking your sales. The same thing to do with your expenses and your creditors and suppliers. If you don't have a clue about financial management and what I'm saying is completely foreign to you, then again, go and check out the YouTube channel. There is tutorials, there is spreadsheets, there's tools, there's guides on financial management that you can use completely for free. Take them, use them how you need, ask me questions, get in touch. There's also courses as well that I'll talk to you about in a second. The third thing that I'm going to advise you to do is to really look at and understand your market and your sales systems and pipelines. Have them in place. These are processes, they're live, living processes that you're going to need on a daily basis to make sure that you're able to gain access to and sell to the people that you're trying to reach. Okay, so you will have that information from your business plan. So make sure you've got your business plan. It's a living document, you're using it regularly, and you are getting the benefit from it to be able to target the people that you want to target, and you're not wasting your time. Next piece of advice is going to be to please keep good records. And by that, I don't just mean your financial records. You have to keep good records for your finances anyway, for your accounts. So your sales, your expenses, your profit, your tax, all those records, you have to keep them. But also keep good records for how you run your business, what systems you have in place, what your processes and procedures are. Because when it comes time to grow, when you want to bring on staff, when you want to expand your operation, when you want to have multiple offices or multiple shop fronts, whatever the case may be, having those systems already there, documented already, makes it so much easier to just transfer, to move, to grow, to expand, to improve on them, rather than having to start from scratch every single time. You can trust me on that one. It is so much easier. Last but not least, if you have a business plan, use your business plan. So many people start their business and they don't need a business plan, so they'll go and they'll make one, and it's beautiful and it's gorgeous, and it ends up stuck in a folder on a desktop somewhere, and it's never sees the light of day again. Your business plan is a living document that you need to be looking through it quarterly at least, amending and reviewing it biannually at least, and updating it annually at least. At the very least, you should be updating your marketing strategy, your business strategy, and your financial analysis documents in your business plan every single year. Why? Because one, you're going to be using it on a day-to-day basis. That business plan will give you a map, an action plan of what you need to do every single day to make your business into what you want it to be. But secondly, if a third party wants to help you in your business, you want a loan, you want to apply for extra credit with somebody, you want an investor, you want a new shareholder, they're going to ask for something in your business plan, and it's already there, it's already up to date, it's ready. Give it to them and go about your business. You don't need to stress and worry or pay money to somebody to go and make you a gorgeous one for like $5,000. If you're keeping it up to date and you're using it regularly, it will already be perfect and beautiful, and you can just give it to people as it is. Now, I've mentioned a lot of stuff here, but the good thing is, I have already made videos on pretty much everything I've talked about. I've already got resources to download for free on the website. There's tutorials, there's guides, there's ebooks, everything is there, it's available. Please go and check it out. I will link everything that I've mentioned in the description box around the video. So go ahead, check out whatever your favorites are, use them. If you have any trouble, if you get stuck, if you've got questions, get in touch. I will leave my contact details around here as well. And yeah, I wish you the best of luck. See you later. Bye.